Hi everyone from Dazzle Your Style. So today we bring to you these two gorgeous women, and this is Chandrika and
Hello.
This is Avani. This is mother and daughter. Today we talk about women empowerment and what is the future for women in this post-COVID conditions. So let's hear from Chandrika. Can you talk a little bit about yourself, Chandrika?
Okay. I did my postgrad in social work. Started off with the corporate sector work. Then later on, I did work in NGO in the training sector. And then when I came to Middle East, I worked for children with special needs. I worked as a teacher for a
Wow.
school. And later on, I was a housewife. I am a housewife. Past 10 years looking after my children.
Wow.
That's me, and this is my elder one, Avani.
Yeah, I'm doing a course in BA Media and Communication.
Excellent.
And of course, it's a new course and learning to know the entire new digital age. It's a path-breaking career and looking for new opportunities like this. So, looking forward.
Amazing. Very well done. Really, you have started off in a very powerful way, and I really wish you all the very best for the future. So let us hear your thoughts, Chandrika, about women empowerment. What is your message to all the women out there, other mothers like you know, who have really been strong when they started out, you know, being highly educated and having great career paths, and then, you know, taking a little break to take care of the most important thing in their life, which is the kids, you know, taking care of them. And now, like as the kids grow up, you know, finding yourself again.
Yes.
So, what is your message to all the lovely ladies out there? What would you tell them?
It's very important that we don't lose the sight of our aspirations. Though we may have taken a break, but we continue doing our work and go again, rejoin some work, some organization, or start some work from home and try to learn new things. Basically, when you take a break, you have not updated yourself. So you have to update yourself, and this being a era of digital era, and the computers, the internet, one has to be very techno savvy.
Yes.
So we have to learn the new technology. And though I know I'm behind and my daughter's always pushing me to learn, but it has become necessary because the knowledge that we have is not sufficient.
Absolutely.
But at the same time, if we learn new things, we can be more confident, more independent, and we can again join some path of career.
Yes, like they say, the most constant thing is change.
Yes.
So yes, like
Absolutely.
with the moving times, you know, so like pre-COVID, everything was so different, and I think much of everything was taken for granted.
Yes.
And today the life has come down to masks and sanitizers and things like that. And sitting at home, so many people have got so much of time.
Yes.
And now the media part of digital marketing is completely opening up and creating so many new, you know, ventures for people, you know, housewives especially. This is something you can sit at home and do, like empower yourself, you know, study digital marketing or study media, study, you know, artistic things.
Yes.
Or, you know, reach out to so many people. There's so many different mediums like Zoom, and there's connectivity, Skype and WhatsApp, and there's YouTube, and there's so many things to reach out to so many women. I think even all the talents that they have can be like showcased on these kind of mediums, and, you know, reach out to other women in even remote villages and remote places, and even in urban, you know, very hi-fi places. So this is the magic of connectivity and you know, the present age. What do you think, Avani? What would you like to say to all people of your age when they are starting out fresh, when you have dreams? What do you think you can tell them?
Well, of course, there is a lot of uncertainty. Being myself, I don't know what exactly I want to become. But I think with the moving generation and Gen Z generation, which we call ourselves,
Yes.
I think this is one thing, the main thing right now is media.
Absolutely.
And everything is revolving around. And our generation has a lot of control over what works around the internet.
Absolutely.
So maybe the platforms which we use, which is very common to us, and which we are aware about, maybe our parents are not aware about, we can use that not only to socialize but to podcast or showcase our talents, which can reach out to many more, those who are not aware about what is going on,
Absolutely.
and bring the world closer.
Absolutely. Excellent thought to empower the kids. Next step, what do you think, Chandrika? What else can we generally highlight about? Anything that comes to your mind for...
Yeah, like Lynn, when I spoke to you, I came to know about digital marketing, the course you are doing, which is very interesting.
Yes.
And we are not aware of these things. So if we can spread the word around,
Yes.
and we can enroll ourselves, not only digital marketing, something else if one is interested,
Yes,
but
absolutely.
learn the technology so that you can pursue your hobbies, your work, your aspirations. But now it is a need of the hour. Learn the technology.
Absolutely. So I have done this most amazing course of digital marketing from InnoMind Digital Academy, and it has the most amazing two mentors, which are Sayed sir and Sumit sir. They absolutely hold your hand, and from zero knowledge they take you into like 150% of knowledge. So it's been an exciting journey, 8 weeks of complete education. Words like Milesoft, Milesweb, and GoDaddy.com, and then there was like Canva. There's so many editing tools, and like Google Ads and SEOs and rank maths and all these things. They sounded like very hi-fi things, and we thought we would never ever be able to understand what is this.
So this is
But
new
now,
literacy. This is new literacy.
absolutely. Imagine getting this knowledge, and then now I am a digital marketer, and that from nothing to like knowing so much in just like about 7 to 8 weeks. And the best thing about this course is that you can learn while you earn. So they make you, set up your whole system. So where you're actually practicing implementing what you're learning. Actually, it really makes sense. I think if it reaches out to many women, everyone can either do their cooking channels online. They can, maybe take their art to the next level, or say you have certain thoughts on, say, like you said, media and socializing, and so you take your, say, youth group to the next level. Like you have a message, especially maybe you can have a channel only dedicated to people of your age, where you share your talents over there. So that could be a beautiful thought. Very, very nice. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
It was such a
for
pleasure.
introducing us to this
Definitely.
whole concept.
Thank you so much, Chandrika and Abani. It was indeed such a pleasure to talk to you all. Thank you for your time.
Thank you, Lynn.